Okay, Ms. Can you hear me? I can see you on the screen there.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, so that's fine.
Yep,
so
I'm
you're
also on
representing
camera.
yourself today?
Yes, I am.
Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah, thank you. I'll just read the charge out quickly for you. So it's at Melbourne on the 13th of September 2020. Did fail to comply with the direction given to that person. That direction being to stay at home unless for essential shopping, work, exercise or caregiving purposes, having been given by a person exercising the power granted by the Chief Health Officer under Section 199 of the Public Health and Wellbeing Act. So in relation to that charge today, are you intending to plead guilty or not guilty?
So, Your Honour, I am the living woman.
Yes.
I'm the beneficiary of the Melbourne Trust. I do not consent to contract or joinder, and I waive the benefits on offer.
Okay, so I'll take that that statement to mean that you're intending to plead not guilty today. So thank you for that. I think, Mr. Prosecutor, in this circumstance, contest mention?
Yes, Your Honour.
Yes.
Your Honour, I've been given a copy of the letter provided by Ms. Ben to the court.
Oh, yes.
I hadn't had any prior correspondence. I can't see that there's been any case commenting in the matter, but certainly no objection to the matter going straight to contest mention.
Yes, thank you. I think it's suitable. I'll get a date, case contest mention date. So, Ms. So the next, I'll give you a next date now. This will be the contest mention date, okay? So there's various steps that the matter has to go through before it gets to a contested hearing. So I understand that's what you'd be looking for eventually anyway, would be a contested hearing or some chance to address the court in relation to the charge. Today is only a mention court, so we're sort of triaging matters into basically matters that are going to be pleas of guilty or pleas of not guilty. So not guilty pleas need to go down a different pathway. So if you just hold on there for a second, we'll get a new court date.
So, Your Honour, are you administering my trust without my consent?
No, we just contest mention. No, there's no administration of any trust at the moment, so we're just dealing with the matter under the Criminal Procedure Act, okay, so that's 2009, an act in force in Victoria, and the next step will be a mention date under the Criminal Procedure Act, under Section 55 of that Act. So if you take it under Section 55 of the Criminal Procedure Act, that'll be the next court date in relation to that, and that'll set out the process of what's occurring.
I do not consent to contract or joinder, and I waive the benefits on offer.
Thank you, Miss. Your matter now is booked in for the next court steps to occur. The next court date is the 7th of December. Okay, so that'll be a contest mention back online in the Melbourne Magistrates Court. Okay, so that might take between 15 minutes and half an hour, depending on what's discussed on that day. But that mention date will give you a better chance to discuss your matter further. Okay, and the submissions you wish to make. Okay, so thank you for your time today in court, and you're now excused.
Thank you for your time, Your Honour.
7th of September.
Thank you. We'll just confirm. You're on the line there. You can see and hear us.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Thank you.
Your Honour, is an application to withdraw this matter.
All right. Thank you. Upon the prosecution application to have the charge withdrawn, the charge is now struck out. Thank you. The charge has now been struck out. You may be excused.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honour.
Thank